Hi, thanks for being in a new video. This time we have quick review of the NordicTrack T Series 5. Let's get started. We are standing in front of a treadmill from iFit, a company known for providing premium treadmills with subscription options and advanced features. However, this particular treadmill is actually one of their more basic models, as it aims to. Achieving a balance between high technical performance and affordability for home use is key. In this instance, we will discover it in the lower mid-range segment. Presently, its price in Mexico typically falls between 11,000 and 15,000 Mexican pesos. Of course, this can vary widely, but you can find it in various places such as different retail stores, online platforms, or even department stores. It's worth shopping around to find the best deal available. Even though it is crucial from this point forward to highlight that it is a rather large and extremely heavy item, weighing approximately 76 kilograms within its packaging, the logistics for delivery will indeed be somewhat complex. They might drop it off on the street or simply leave it at the doorstep and consider it done. However, if you reside in a tall building or wish to situate this treadmill on an upper floor, such as the second floor or higher, it will indeed present quite a challenge. Therefore, this is something you should definitely take into consideration. However, let's discuss the engine and propulsion a bit more. In this scenario, the manufacturer offers an engine known as the Dirks Commercial Plus. This engine is registered with 6 continuous horsepower. It's crucial to differentiate this term from just horsepower, as it ensures the engine consistently maintains its power without overheating. Let's say that from a technical point of view, the torque is optimized for low speeds, so it will be ideal for walking even for quite heavy people. However, when it reaches its limit of 16 kilometers per hour, the system will be operating at maximum efficiency without reaching its maximum speed. It does not achieve higher speed, so we could say it is not designed for top performance runners or those fully committed to athletics and running at maximum speed. However, there is something quite fascinating about this treadmill that I believe is worth mentioning, as we are likely to encounter a surface. The dimensions are 45.7 by 139.7 centimeters. Based on calculations, this size is generally suitable for users who are more or less around 1.75 meters tall. However, if you happen to be among the taller individuals, you might encounter some limitations, particularly if your intention is to run. For walking, there is absolutely no issue. But when it comes to running with fairly large strides, it could indeed be somewhat inadequate for those who are taller. However, one of the standout features is the KeyFlex technology. Unlike rigid surfaces, this technology offers a cushioning system that effectively absorbs the energy from impact. This design significantly helps in reducing the effects of instability and the intense pressure on the knees. Therefore, this is where it elevates the experience and distinguishes itself from other treadmills that are in a similar segment. Again, for walking, you might not need much cushioning, but for running or jogging, you might notice it on the treadmill. Now, let's discuss the console. It's a hybrid designed interface with simple physical buttons and a 5-inch LCD screen for basic data and controls, speed settings, and some other small things. It includes presets to swiftly change the speed to your preference with one touch. However, it does not come with a built-in touchscreen. Instead, it offers a support where you can place your own tablet. This is because this treadmill can connect to your tablet via Bluetooth. This way, it becomes part of the highly advanced iFit ecosystem. This system includes features like Smart Adjust, which allows the treadmill to automatically modify both the speed and the incline, providing a more personalized workout experience. You can adjust the machine's speed and incline based on your history. Active Pulse also regulates intensity in real time by heart rate, but needs a separate sensor. These functions require a subscription, which includes a 1-month free trial. This allows you to enjoy the experience more or less fully. However, it's an important consideration, as if you dislike paying for subscriptions, you won't be able to utilize 100% of the machine's capabilities. Even without a subscription, it will still function quite well, but everything will need manual control. You can manually adjust the speed and inclination of the machine to suit your needs. Let's say that with a subscription, all this can be done more intelligently. Even with a subscription, you can have a route through Google Maps there on the screen of the tablet, as to imagine that you are walking along those routes. The truth seems quite unnecessary, but there it is present. Now let's discuss in more detail about its physical format, as it's quite important to highlight that this model is not foldable. Unlike other models from the brand, as well as other treadmills which can be folded to occupy less space in the room, In this particular case, we have a fixed frame. This fixed frame offers more stability, and it is even less likely to encounter any mechanical failures. However, it does not offer the same practicality when it comes to saving space. However, it has front wheels to make moving it slightly easier, but you can't keep it fully upright. So you'll need a dedicated space in your home for it where you can hang towels. But remember, we're not a fitness channel. We just wanted to review this treadmill to share some technical details and explain how it works. Please let me know in the comments if you own any treadmill and share your experience with us. What brand do you have? Have you used this same treadmill? We are eager to read all your opinions right here. For now, we have come to the conclusion of this video. If you enjoyed it, you can let us know, and we look forward to seeing you next time.